So today in this video we shall factorize 44x square plus 19xy plus 2y square. So 44 times 2 mean it is 88. So it is 2 times 44 mean 88. 2 times 22 mean 44. 2 times 11 mean 22. So by multiplying within these numbers we take 19. So 2 times 2 mean 4. 4 times 2 mean 8. And this 11. So 8 plus 11 means 19. So here 44x square and the last expression 2y square both are same. So now 19. So it is 8xy plus 11xy. It means it is 19xy. So now we shall find out the common factors in first two expression and last two expression. So here the common is 4 and x. So remaining here 4 times 11 mean 44 and x plus 4 times 2 mean 8 and y. Like as the common in these both expression is plus y. So remaining 11x plus 2y. So now we again find out common in first and last expression. So both contain 11x plus 2y. So 11x plus 2y is the common and remaining is in first 4x in the last plus y. So 11x plus 2y and 4x plus y are the required factors.